nothing.
Oh, kia ora, New Zealand. It's New Year's Eve and we are so excited to celebrate with you.
As we close the last chapter of 2025, here's to a fresh start and a year filled with promise.
Happy New Year, New Zealand. Here's wishing you all the best for 2026 and here's looking forward to some fine-looking weather as well.
Happy New Year from all of us at TVNZ. Stay with us as we begin the countdown to 2026, just moments away.
Given the throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I'm meant to be. I lived two lives, tried to pick both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Caught a black child, 'cause I got too wild, but now that's how I'm getting paid. 'Cause I see on stage, I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm gonna be. We dreaming hard, we came so far, now I believe. We're going up, 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 it's our moment. You know together we're going, gonna be golden. Up, up, up with our voices. You only did just so on it. Gonna be golden. I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm gonna be. Our time, no fears, no lies, that's who we're
Cause in a sky full of stars, I think I see
on the stage in my heels to where I belong, down at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing down in West Hollywood. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. Pink Pony Club.
got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time, this got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time, this got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time, this got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time, this got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, yeah.
Become a super streamer this summer. Watch TVNZ Plus and you could win a year of free power and other sweet prizes. All thanks to Contact and their free power good plans.
Really good. That's great, actually. Yes.
Who wants to have some fun?
I really want to have fun.
Kick back and relax with TVNZ Plus this summer, and you could watch your way to a year of free power with Contact. Enter at superstreamers.co.nz and get streaming.